In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Calendly event. Whether you're fine-tuning the details of a meeting or updating your availability for an important session, knowing how to adjust your event settings ensures everything runs smoothly. Calendly is a fantastic scheduling platform that keeps your appointments organized, but editing an event might seem a bit tricky if you're unfamiliar with the process. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step so you can make changes confidently and get the most out of your Calendly setup. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, let's head over to your Calendly homepage. Think of this as your central hub. It's where all your scheduled events are displayed, along with the options you need to manage them. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to locate the event you want to modify. You'll see a list of your events, so scroll through and find the one you need to update. Next to the event's name, you'll notice a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options for managing your event. From this menu, select the Edit option. This is where the magic happens. The Editing menu will open, allowing you to make all the necessary adjustments to your event. Now that you're in the Editing menu, let's start by updating the event name. The event name is the first thing your invitees will see, so make sure it clearly reflects the purpose of the session. For example, if the meeting is a follow-up or a brainstorming session, you might want to include those details right in the title. Once you've updated the name, take a look at the event duration. Calendly is flexible when it comes to time. You can set events as short as 15 minutes or as long as you need. Adjust the duration to fit your schedule and the needs of your participants. Next, it's time to choose the event location. Calendly offers several platform options such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Pick the one that works best for your setup. For instance, if you've already integrated Zoom with your Calendly account and regularly use it for meetings, that might be the most convenient choice. On the other hand, if your team uses Google Workspace, Google Meet could be a better fit. Choose the location that ensures accessibility and complements the tools you're already using. After setting the location, review the availability settings for your event. This is where you can make sure the timing aligns with your schedule. Adjust the days and times when you're available to host the event. Setting your availability carefully helps avoid double bookings and ensures you're not scheduling over other commitments. Take your time here, as this step is crucial for keeping your calendar organized. If your event involves more than one person managing it, you might need to assign the host. This is especially useful for teams that share scheduling responsibilities. For example, if you're planning a group workshop and your co-host is handling part of the presentation, assigning them as a host can make things clearer for everyone involved. Simply select the person who will be responsible for this event. Once you've made all your adjustments, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button, which is usually located at the bottom of the editing menu, and click it. This will instantly update your event with all the changes you just made. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Calendly event. You now know how to update the event name, adjust the duration, select the location, modify your availability, and assign a host whenever necessary. If you have any questions or need help with other Calendly features, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what tutorials you'd like to see next. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.